Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at one of the best ways to make money online. So if you are always looking for making money online strategies, then you are at the right place. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever a new video is uploaded here. Again, like this video and leave a comment down there below. I'm showing you today how you can be making fast money online. So let's get started. Come to this website, Zillow.com. This website, what it does is that it helps people who wants to buy a house or rent a house. As we speak, if you want to buy or rent a house, you can just come to this website to get it done easily. But as for us, we are not going to buy a house, neither rent a house, but we need money online. You want to make money with the website. How is that possible? Like the video and then let me show you how simple and easy it is to make money, huge amount of money with this website right here. At the search column, enter any city right here. Example, Florida. Okay, so maybe Florida. All the available houses for rent and for sale will be delivered to you here. Okay, so as you can see, have you seen them? All these are available houses for sale or for rent. As I've already said, we are not going to rent a house or buy a house, but we are going to design a banner for the person selling the house to help him or her reach more people visually. Don't mind if you are not a designer. If you don't know any complicating designing software, if you can't design, don't worry. I am going to show you an easy way to get it done. So just follow the tutorial step by step with no step skipping. Select any of the houses from here, any of them, select it from here. So example, let me use this one here, 13 days on Zillow. Okay, so you just click on it to open, and then the next thing that you're going to do is to contact the agent, the person selling the house or renting it. Contact the person, so click on the contact and then you can reach the person here. Before you message the agent or the seller, this is what you're going to do. As I said, design either a flyer or banner for this house. Think I should select a different house. Let me use this one here. This is for example purpose, okay, where you get a better picture. Okay, so you copy these images, okay, and then you design a very nice flyer or a banner for these people. Okay, so just go to Canva.com. Canva.com is a designing platform, okay, so you can come here to design any graphic for free. Okay, just click on create a design and then you can say poster. Okay, poster or banner. Banner 2 is here, banner landscape, so you can go for any of them. The pictures that you downloaded, if you want them to come to the Canva software, what you just want to do is that to click on the upload over here, and then you click on upload media. It will go into your computer for you to upload the pictures that you saved from the website, Zillow. Okay, and you start designing something. If you need the tests, you can just click on this one, and then you have your test here. You select any of the tests, maybe this one, and then you change the tests to your own. Maybe for sale. Let me change the font here. Maybe let me use this one. And then I change the text. Let me say for sale. For sale. I resize it. I'm not doing something professional here. If you want to change the color, you can come here. This one, then you change it here. Okay, maybe let me use red for sale. You bring the you arrange the images here, and then on the banner, make sure that you add the price of the house, and then you add the square feet of the house, and then you add the location on the banner. If you think it will be complicating for you to create the design or to create the banner, don't worry, just go to this website called Canva.com. In our case, we are looking for a graphic designer, so you can search for a graphic designer, graphic design, okay, here, and you can pay for $5 for them to design a very nice flyer for you. Okay, so have you seen this one? This guy is charging $5, this guy is charging $50, $15, so you can go for $5 for a design. You send the pictures of the building to the person, and then you add the location, and then the price, and lastly the square feet of the building. This guy is going to design a very nice flyer for you. After the flyer is designed either by you or third person on Canva, just come back to the website Zillow, click on the contact agent. This is what I'm going to do. You put your name here, your phone number, your email address, and then the message. Tell the person that you've designed a very nice nice flyer for him or her to sell the land easily visually. So you are sending or forwarding the image or the flyer to him, and if he's interested, then you can go into business. Okay, so when he accepts your banner and then you charge the person for it, you may be thinking that it won't be possible or it won't be easy for people to accept it because they can easily go and then design it for themselves. Trust me, most of them are going to accept your banner and get you paid a very nice amount of money. So try this and then bring a testimony. It's going to help you a lot, and this is one of the fastest ways to make money online. Try it and let me know in the comment section down there below. If you're always looking for making money online strategies, then subscribe to this channel. If you have not, turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever we upload a new video here. Thank you, and let's meet on one of the next videos.